If you want to learn how to get Zapier for free, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to go inside Zapier so you can see the free plan details for yourself, including what you get and how to check your usage. This is super helpful if you're trying to automate tasks without paying right away, or if you just want to understand whether the free tier is enough for your needs. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you're on the Zapier website, sign into your account if you haven't already. After you're logged in, look to the top corner and click your profile icon. This is usually where your account options are stored, and it's the fastest way to get to your settings. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Inside the Settings area, you'll find different account and subscription options. Now open Billing and Usage. This is the section where Zapier shows you what plan you're on and how much of your account limits you've used. Once you're in billing and usage, you'll be able to see the free plan details. According to the free plan, you get 100 tasks free. That means you can use Zapier to complete up to 100 task actions without paying. You can also make 100 workflows in Zap for free, which is really useful if you want to test automations, connect apps, or build simple workflows before upgrading. So if you were wondering how to get Zapier for free, that's really all there is to it. Just go into your account, check billing and usage, and you'll see the free plan allowances available to you. It's a simple way to start using automation without spending money upfront. If you found this useful, please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.